Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mechanical keyboard cleaning kit is probably one of the most essential accessories for any mechanical keyboard enthusiast, ensuring your beloved keyboard stays in top condition, performing at its peak, and looking pristine. A good cleaning kit will make the often tedious task of cleaning your keyboard much easier and more efficient, helping you maintain peak performance and hygiene, extending the life of your investment and keeping your typing experience smooth and satisfying. Number 5. Steel Keycap Puller Kit. This handy tool makes cleaning and maintaining your mechanical keyboard a breeze. It's a must-have for any serious keyboard enthusiast. Its durable steel wires gently grip keycaps of all sizes, making removal quick and easy. The compact design makes it perfect for travel. It works with most mechanical keyboards, including Cherry MX, Alps, and Topper switches. Just remember not to use it on scissor switches. The included brush is perfect for keeping your keyboard and other electronics clean and free of dust and debris. It's lightweight and easy to use. Use it to clean your keyboard, computer, laptop, and more. This kit helps keep your electronics clean and running smoothly. Get this keycap puller and cleaning brush kit today and keep your mechanical keyboard in top condition. It's an investment in the longevity of your keyboard. What we like. It's small and sturdy, built to last. If you need a reliable tool for quick keycap swaps, this is perfect. Its versatility makes it great for various cleaning tasks beyond keyboards. What people say. The compact high-quality wire-style keycap puller described here is indeed a must-have tool for any mechanical keyboard owner. The use of high-quality steel in its construction ensures durability and reliability. The design, allowing the wires to bend outward to fit onto mechanical keycaps and hold up to 3 keys, is practical for speeding up the key removal process. The inclusion of an anti-static brush adds value to the product. Being temperature-resistant, lightweight, and portable, it becomes an easy-to-carry and use tool that contributes to keeping electronic devices clean. The emphasis on its multipurpose use, such as cleaning keyboards, computers, laptops, screens, printers, and other electronic devices, makes it a versatile accessory. This works well and gets the job done, however it did scratch my keycaps a bit when using it. It comes with some brushes to help clean the gaps in your keyboard, which is helpful and worked well too. Number 4. Camkix Keyboard Cleaning Kit. This complete kit is your solution for a spotless keyboard. It includes everything you need for a thorough cleaning. This ideal set ensures your keyboard stays clean. It comes with a mini brush, cleaning brush, keycap remover, air blower, and cleaning cloth. The air blower is battery-free and always ready to use. It provides a precise airflow to remove dust and dirt from delicate surfaces. The kit features 2 brushes with strong, soft bristles. A mini brush for small gaps and a larger brush for broader cleaning. The included keycap remover is compatible with most mechanical keyboards, making cleaning a breeze. It's perfect for all keys except the spacebar. The soft cleaning cloth is great for wiping down small keyboard parts and other delicate electronics. It's perfect for screens, lenses, and more. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a thorough clean. The air blower is a game changer for removing stubborn dust. If you want a comprehensive solution for cleaning your keyboard and other delicate electronics, this is the one for you. What people say. The combination of this kit and several YouTube videos, I've been able to do the work that was needed to make it work as good as new. The brushes worked well, but the key puller is a bit of a pain, so I used the one that came with the MOBA FPS kit from Corsair, which was awesome and easy to use. The tools come in a resealable and sturdy plastic bag, so I can keep them free of dust and all in one place. The longer nozzle of the air bulb is much better than the nasal aspirator, though it can't be squeezed multiple times fast, a bit of a drawback, but nothing to get excited about. The stiff brush, with its longer handle, is superior to the nail brush I've been using. One can never have too many lint-free cloths, and this one has its own plastic case, too. Number 3. HAGULO 5-in-1 Keyboard Cleaner. This innovative cleaning kit tackles various cleaning needs with its 5 versatile tools. It's designed for thorough cleaning of keyboards, earphones, and more. It features a nylon bristle brush, flocking sponge, metal pen tip, high-density brush, and a keycap puller. Everything you need for a complete clean is right here. One end has a soft sponge for delicate cleaning, while the other features a metal tip and microfiber brush for reaching hard-to-clean areas. It's perfect for earbuds and other small devices. The soft nylon bristles are gentle yet effective at removing dust and debris from keyboards and other electronics. Its 3-row design ensures thorough cleaning. Easily remove keycaps for a deeper clean without damaging your nails or keys. This tool saves time and effort. This versatile kit cleans keyboards, earphones, cases, camera lenses, and more. It's the ultimate cleaning solution for all your electronics. What we like. It's incredibly versatile, tackling various cleaning needs. The dual-head design is ingenious for reaching hard-to-clean areas. If you need a multifunctional tool for cleaning keyboards, earphones, and more, this kit is your best bet. Number 2. 5-in-1 Keyboard Cleaning Kit. This innovative kit is designed to make cleaning your keyboard, laptop, and earbuds a breeze. It's got everything you need for a thorough clean, all in one convenient package. It includes 5 different cleaning heads, nylon bristles, a flocking sponge, a high-density brush, a metal pen tip, and a keycap puller. This versatile kit tackles any cleaning challenge. The flocking sponge cleans your earbud case, the high-density brush cleans earbud sound holes, and the metal tip tackles stubborn dirt. The keycap puller makes changing keycaps easy and efficient. It's incredibly compact and easy to carry around. Its dual-head design and attached brush make it even more practical. The nylon brush is perfectly soft and firm. The tightly arranged, 3-row brush head design ensures efficient cleaning without damaging your devices. Made from high-quality ABS and nylon, it's durable, odorless, and environmentally friendly. It's a healthy and long-lasting cleaning solution. What we like. This compact kit is perfect for on-the-go cleaning. The soft brush ensures your keyboard stays safe. If you're looking for a convenient and safe cleaning solution, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The brush works really well to clean cat hair from computer keyboards. The pin thing is great for cleaning earbuds after use. It does a good enough job. Number 1. 14 PCS Keyboard Lube Kit. This kit has everything you need for a thorough keyboard cleaning. It includes brushes, pens, and tools to remove keycaps and switches. Removing and replacing keycaps is easy with the included keycap and switch pullers. They're designed for efficient and safe use. Use the brushes to remove dust and debris, and the pens to apply lubricant for a smooth typing experience. Remember to clean regularly to maintain your keyboard. It's not just for keyboards. This kit is great for cleaning hard-to-reach areas on laptops, computers, and other electronics. All the tools are neatly stored in a compact case for easy portability and organization. It makes a great gift for any tech enthusiast. What we like. It's a comprehensive kit for both cleaning and lubricating your keyboard. The included pullers make keycap and switch removal a breeze. If you're serious about maintaining your mechanical keyboard, this kit is a must-have. What people say. Switch puller is amazing. Better than a few other ones I have tried. All the other tools were great, especially for 11. Definitely recommend it if you just need to do a quick cleaning. Tweezers are great. It's just like the ones that came in my iFixit tool set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.